How to add an email to your Instagram profile and display the email contact button so people can easily reach you. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Edit Profile. If your account is set up as a professional account, you'll see an option called Contact Options or Public Business Information, depending on your app version. Tap Contact Options, then select Email Address. Enter the email address you want people to use when contacting you, and tap Done or Save to confirm your changes. Now, return to your profile. If your account is a professional account and contact information is enabled, visitors to your profile will see an email button that they can tap to send you an email directly. If you don't see the email option, make sure your account is switched to a professional account, since this feature isn't available for all personal accounts. And that's it. That's how you can add an email to your Instagram profile and make it easier for people to contact you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.